Hey there, fellow sleep enthusiasts. Have you ever found yourself tossing and turning, unable to drift off, and then resorted to the age-old method of counting sheep? Well, you're not alone. Today, let's dive into whether this whimsical technique really helps you catch those elusive Z's. Counting sheep, with its roots deep in folklore, began in pastoral cultures where shepherds counted their flock to pass time and ensure all were safe before they themselves could rest. But beyond its quaint origins, is there any science to back up its effectiveness as a sleep aid? Well, the principle behind counting sheep lies in its ability to distract. By focusing on a repetitive task, your mind shifts away from the stress and anxieties that keep you awake. Imagine each sheep as a fluffy white cloud hopping over a fence. 1, 2, 3, each jump smoother and slower than the last. This repetition can be soothing, almost meditative, helping to slow down your brain activity to a pace conducive for sleep. The trick here is monotony and low cognitive load. Counting sheep is simple and monotonous enough to not strain the brain, yet it demands just enough attention to prevent other, more disruptive thoughts from flooding back. It's like setting your brain on a gentle cruise control, steering away from the potholes of nighttime worries. But does it really work for everyone? Not necessarily. While some might find sheep counting as soothing as a lullaby, others might need imagery that's a bit more engaging or personally soothing, like visualizing a quiet beach or a serene forest. So, if sheep aren't doing the trick for you, don't worry. The key is finding a method that best suits your mental landscape. Whether it's counting sheep or picturing gentle waves on a beach, the goal is the same: a peaceful transition into dreamland. Remember, the best sleep routine is one that fits uniquely to you. Sweet dreams, and here's to finding your perfect nighttime countdown.